Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and today we will discuss about React. Let's see what's the topic. It's the first video on React series and the topic is why we have to use React. What is the reason we are learning this? Why it's so popular? And we will create first project and shoot it up with React. Let's see how we can do this. And I want you to know if you are working on any custom project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or email, or you can fill out this form to discuss about that. All the links or information is in the description. Let's get started with the actual topic. First of all, the first thing you have to do if you want to use React is to install Node. Just search for node.js download it for your operating system and uh, mac os, windows, or uh, linux one, right? And then you can open up your terminal. In windows I have this, yeah, a cmd. In your mac or linux you will have a terminal. Okay, let's see if I write node hyphen v. I will get a version of for my node. That means my node is up and running. Okay, that's it for now. And uh, I mean you are ready to use React for now. But let's discuss why we have to use React, right? uh so in a normal website, whatever you do, uh it requires the whole page to reload. So if you go to some other page, if you use javascript, or if you use normal html, and you have home and then shorts and then subscription. So if you go to any of uh, the pages on your website, it will do a reload and reload your whole website, right? And then render it. It will be fast, but it can be avoided, and the better way is to avoid reload, right? And by using React, so it will control the each and every aspect of your UI. React will control it, and you will not see any reloads. So let's see, in the case of YouTube, if I go to subscriptions, I will see page is not reloading, but whole UI is reloaded, right? Whole interface is being changed, but page is still there. Even the URL is being changed. We will see how we can do that. But in the normal website, I don't know of any normal website of now, because everything is now being converted into these technologies which requires no reload. So you can try out a simple html page and see, whenever you change anything on your system, it will automatically do the React. Let me see if I can open my website, because it's not on React yet. uh, it's on simple javascript and html. Okay, cmd python manage py run server. I've used Django in that. Okay, we are getting it. I think I can use the live version of, let me see, because I have deployed it already. Okay, ubprogrammer.com. And okay, so yes, now you will see here the page will reload when I will go to projects. You can see it converted the icon, changed the icon, and then reloaded this page. But in case of YouTube, it's not been reloaded. If I go to home now, this is not changing. Reload is not happening, right? UI is being updated by React. React is reacting, right? So this is why we have to use React. And the key problem why Facebook or engineers have developed this beautiful library, because they wanted to display the notifications in the real time, right? So if uh, if anything comes in your notification box, it will increase the counter, right, without requiring a reload or refreshing the page. So that was the main reason that why we are seeing this library. Okay, so let's see. By the way, I have faced this problem in my website. Now if I want to use these filters, I have to reload my page to change this data. And using JavaScript, it is really difficult because we have to get so many IDs and like do an API call and all that, right? But with React, it will be much more simpler. So there are many benefits to use React, and we will see how we can use that. Okay. Let's see now how we can create a project in React, and let's get started. I will create a new folder here. I will say React by T M. I will open VS Code in this folder. We'll open a new terminal, and then I will say I want to create a React app. So create React app, and the name of my npx is for node package manager. So javascript, it's a javascript library and node can handle this. Npx create react app, and then I will name my app as, what can I name, uh first react. See, this will only work if you have node set up in your system. I hope I will not get any error. Okay, our folder is being uh, processed. This can take a couple of time. Okay, so while this is being happening, we can see what are other ways to create a React project. Uh, React project by Vite. This is really lightweight, and you can use this if you just want to use plain React, right? So because nowadays React is being merged within the Next.js and all that. Many things are happening on that front, but you can see we have here many options when you use Vite. We have vanilla. With the JavaScript you can use uh, Vue React. React, if you use the React, it will only import libraries as React and React script, right? No other library will be imported, but here we get a lot, and that's why it takes a lot of time to create a project. But I think the most of things are pretty similar in the bundler. This Vite is a JS bundler, and or the official uh, node package manager. The key thing is have to get the understanding. Here we have how we can create a project. a React project with Vite. So you have to use this command, then create, and then your app name. Okay, I think we have to wait here. Let me just pause this until it's done, and then we can use the application. Okay, let's talk about one more thing: React DOM and what's the React native. So whenever you are using React to develop web application, you use React DOM, and when you use it for uh, the mobile applications, then you can use React Native. Okay. Okay, so we uh, have uh, done the building process. Here we are seeing some of the commands. They are saying you can do a cd into that project to change the directory, and then you can do npm start. But I like to do npm run start because that's how I have been practicing it. But you can see it in the package.json that have name of the project, version, dependencies, what it's using. You can see we have really big libraries for testing, which we don't even want to use. So that's why these uh, create react app is quite a heavy system for creating just a react app, right? And then in the scripts, you have start, build, test. uh, we are using start to just starting our project. Okay, it will not run because I am not in the right directory. We have to be in the main folder. First react app is name of the project. Proj, sorry. Now it will run, and we will see where it is running. Uh, Starting the development server, and it has automatically redirected me to server localhost 3000. I think I really have to upgrade my node also. That's why it's taking time. But we have loaded our website, React app, right? So that's how you can create a React project, and I've told you why we need it, and we will see uh, quite a lot more in this series about React and create real world projects with this library. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this.